Hello everyone, it's been a while since we've shared any tutorials. Today I'm excited to show you how to transform an image into a video using AI technology. We'll be using Wondershare Filmora for this, so let's dive right in. So here we first click on this three-dot mark. Next, select image to video. Now choose the custom option. Then we choose the picture. Select the image upscaling feature. So now we just submit it like this. Then here we have to type prompt. So here I have prepared a prompt which has been typed. Just copy it. Then paste it here. So here we choose the standard one. Choose the resolution of 720p. Then the time is 7 seconds like this. Then we generate it. Wait until the image is fully processed to check the progress and results here. Simply wait until it's done. Well, the results are finished. Just click hold and place it in the timeline like this. Select keep project settings like this. Now we can view the results. So then, how can friends make it easier to make images into videos with the help of AI on Wondershare Filmora Film? Now, for friends who are still confused about the tutorial, you can see the video again on this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to share the video so that many people know about AI and see you at the next video.